All right, I just wanted to do a quick video of how to sign into Hawks. So if you go to HawkesLearning.com and then click on HawkesLearning.com and then click on Student Sign In. If you've never created an account, you can create an account here. If you already have an account, you can sign in here. I'm going to create an account. I'm going to request temporary access since I don't have an access code to try to then create something. My name is Matt. It's actually 2 T's. Brown, and then you have to select the right school, so you type in North Central. Oops. So we go down to North Central. So there are a few different North Centrals, so you want to make sure you click North Central University. You don't want North Central Texas or North Central Missouri, North Central University. Email address, I'm just going to put in my personal email. I already have an account with my North Central email. Nope, that's the next step. I then create a password. And then Central European time, nope. I would want Central time. Primary question, what city did you go on your honeymoon? I forget how to spell it, Anaheim. I forget how to spell it. I'll just say Disney. We went to Disneyland. Second, what was the name of the company of your first job? DNS Construction. Next step. So it says account creation, you can upload a photo. I'm not going to upload a photo. And then product. So these are the products that are available for North Central. So viewing mathematically, this is for my liberal arts math class, Math 115. Pre-calculus, this is for our math to, I believe, 250. I think Haley is teaching this class. Intermediate algebra, we don't want college algebra with a cut and concise approach. This one you all would want to take. This would be for, there is a beginning stats class that we have, but we want this one for the college algebra class, Math 125. All right, so Math 125, your instructor is Matt Brown. Section, the spring. I'll get rid of those other sections. Those are unnecessary. So that's how you would enroll. So you click enroll, and then you're almost there. You get a verification email. Hopefully you typed in your email address correctly. Otherwise, you'll get a verification email to the wrong email address. And then you can go from there. Hopefully that makes sense.